William Blake was a revolutionary thinker and printer. He made extraordinary advances in the field of printmaking with his unique intaglio or etching methods. This video will demonstrate the basic steps of the etching process from plate to print. You need to begin by preparing your plate. Collect the required materials and safety gear. First scrape and then file the edges of the copper plate. To prepare a resist for the back of the plate, spray paint can be used. When the paint dries, prepare your paper for printing by tearing it with a straight edge, paying attention to uniformity. Next, when the paint is dry, polish the plate with steel wool and a polishing compound. Clean the plate thoroughly. Then gather the tools necessary for applying the ground. Lay down newsprint and the copper plate on a 250-degree hot plate and apply the ground in one smooth coat. After the plate cools, use the needle tool to incise your imagery through the ground, exposing the copper plate beneath. When the design is ready, submerge it into the acid bath for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the strength of the solution. During this time, soak your paper. Remove the plate and wash off the acid with water. Remove the ground with a solvent and clean it thoroughly. Apply the ink to the etched plate with a cardboard card and buff the plate clean with a tarlatan. Place the plate on the press and cover the plate with your blotted paper. Lay down etching blankets and the plastic pressure plate and crank the handle and roll the plate through the press. Remove the blankets and uncover your plate. You've made a print. All of these steps can be repeated as you make new additions to your design.